Hey guys, today I'm going to make an origami ninja star that slides into a Frisbee, or you can slide it back into a ninja star. So I'm going to show you just that. So first you take a sticky note, and then you make it so the sticky side is facing you, and then you fold it in half, make a crease, open up, and fold diagonally. Fold the right corner down to the bottom left corner. And then do the same with the other corner. So you see the crease right here. Now you try to make a crease here. So take the top right corner into the bottom left corner. Doesn't have to be perfect, you just have to make it your best. And then, since the sticky part's here, you fold down like a paper airplane and make a crease. And you do it with the left corner also. And then you fold in half. And then you're gonna make a water bomb base. And how you do that is you open this up, keep this tucked in, and then you're gonna push this corner down and fold these two in. Now you're gonna repeat those steps of this on 7 more sticky notes. Now that you have all 7 pieces of the origami ninja star, you will learn how to connect them. Now I'm going to show you how to connect them. So what you do is you hold them like this. So you see these flaps, flip it over and put this, and then you flip this over one more time. And then you slide it in, you put the right and slide it in like that. And then you're like, what do I do with these? Well, what you do is you hold that out, and then you fold over, and then you hold this out, and you fold this over. And then what you do is you open these flaps, and you tuck these in, like that. And then you do that with all the other 7 pieces. So I'm going to show you how to do it again. So what you do, you have these flaps, put the piece in, but make sure you don't tuck it in like that. Tuck it in like that, just like that. And then what you do is you tuck that over, fold this, tuck this over, and fold this. And then you open the flap and you tuck it in. And boom, you're gonna do that with the rest of them, and then I will show you to do the last one because that's kind of hard. Now I'm going to show you how to do the last 2 pieces because they're the hardest. Now this is like the same though. You tuck it in and you fold this over You fold it over and you fold it over. And then what you do is you open it up and then tuck these in. Tuck that one in. And then you gotta tuck this one in. And then the last one's kind of hard because you're like, it's not gonna make a full circle. Well, it will eventually. So just make sure the tips are now just the circle. And so what you do is you do your normal, just tuck it in, and then fold the flaps. Fold the flaps, and then open it up. Tuck these in. And then you kind of do the same. You do this, and then you open this up, but then you're like, there's 3 slots. Try and make it so you don't do, so you don't fold it over the middle one. Fold it still in there. So, and then make a crease. And make a crease. There you go, there you have it. And now how you slide it into a ninja star is you pull one side, 2 opposite sides together, and then pull 2 opposite sides together, and then you keep doing that, and then boom, you got a ninja star. And then you can slide it out, and then you got it back to normal, to a Frisbee. Now I'm going to show you how to throw it. So what you do is you just throw it like a normal Frisbee once it's in the Frisbee shell. So look at it. Now I'm going to show you how to do it with the ninja way. So what you do is you flick it like this, because if you flick it at an angle or to the side, it's going to fall like this and it's going to make the tips dent, and you want them straight as possible. So you flick it like this.